Welcome back to another NEMT Platform Pro Tips video. Today we're going to show you how to add or update a driver's signature directly from the dashboard. To get started, navigate from the dashboard to the profiling section. Locate the specific driver you're looking for and click on the eye icon to open their profile details. In the pop-up window, you'll see the option to add or update the signature. Simply draw the new signature and click Update. This feature is perfect for administrative cleanup, allowing you to manage essential driver credentials on their behalf without them needing to stop their route. And you're all set! Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.